teach you a tutorial on how to make a fake neck crack, you know, like you crack, and yeah, you can use it in many pranks, like, feels so good. And guess what's behind the trick? A bottle. So basically all you do is to just do this, but you're actually pressing on the bottle. And yeah, you know, that kind of thing, like, I just cracked my neck, it's so painful. You can use it in many pranks. So yeah, it's good, you know. You can make videos like action videos, like I just cracked my neck, I'm gonna die, or in dramas and whatever. But yeah, this is behind the trick. So subscribe or die.